So hey guys, my name is Saurabh and today we are going to solve an interesting problem whose name is please help. Its code is CR3. Difficulty level for this problem is Cakewalk and prerequisite for this problem is 2-pointer. So let's move to our problem statement. So this is our problem statement. Please help. Only few minutes left for the contest. I am stuck with one problem. Can you help me? Yes, we can help you. Problem statement: given an array A of length n, your task is to find maximum sum of k length contiguous subarray possible. So contiguous subarray means basically subarray means a part of array. Suppose our array is 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2. So contiguous subarray means we can put some contiguous elements from this array. Suppose that 5, 7, 9 is an contiguous subarray. 5, 7 is also an contiguous. Even 3 is an contiguous subarray. Okay. Now you can help, as you already finished your all question. Instead of giving whole solution, you will reply to its test case. So basically we need to find the maximum value present in that k contiguous subarray. So see this input. In input, first line will contain t for number of test case, and the first line of each test case contain two space separated integers and denoting the length of array, a and k denoting the length of the contiguous subarray to be chosen. The second line contain n space separated ai denote the element at each index I. So you can see the sample input. It's like 1, 6, 2 and 1, 2, minus 2, 5, minus 1, 2. This one is for number of test case. This 6 is the size of this array. This 2 is the value of k. Means we can take two values at a time. So contiguous array of size 2. Then just check it. 2 plus 1. This value is 3. 2 minus 2. This value is 0. 2 minus 2 and 5, this value is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4 and minus 1 and 2, this value will be 1. Now check the max value. So max value is 4 and our answer is 4. So you need to print out the maximum contiguous subarray. So this is a pure DSA logic. This is based on two-pointer approach. So what is this two-pointer approach? So two-pointer is a simple approach where we take two variables, first as s and second as int. So suppose every time if you have an array of size this, and you know what is the sum of this size of k. Now you need to find an subarray of this size of k. Means every time we are incrementing our slide by 1. So how can we find that? We can simply add this element in this slide and remove the last element from this side. Suppose, just check the example. Suppose we have 2, 3, 2, 5, 7, 9 and we know the sum of this array. Suppose that. So 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 10. And we need to find the sum of this subarray of size 3. Then how can we find that? We can simply add this 7 in 10. So 10 plus 7 and remove this 3. So minus 3 means 17 minus 3 means value is 14. And you can see that 5 plus 2 7 and 7 plus 7 14. Means if you know the sum of a particular slide, then you can find the next slide sum by adding this number and removing the last number. So by this logic we can find our solution. Just take an array. Okay, array is something 2, 3, 5, minus 2, 1, 9, 8, 2, 1. Okay, now here n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N equal to 9. Just take k equal to 3. Okay, then take s is equal to 0 in starting and end equal to 2. Now k equal to 3. So we have taken k equal to 3. Means the summation that we want are from 0 index, first index and second index. So sm equal to 5 here. Just run a loop while our end is less than equal to n minus 1. This is the upper limit. Every time we will add one element that's coming next. So I'm just going to add this e. Just take equal to 2 here. Sorry, instead of equal to 1, just take equal to 2 here. So what we will do? We will simply add that element. So sum sm equal to sm plus that element means array of e. Now we will compare our answer as sm here, and now we are going to remove this element. So sum equal to sm minus array of starting, and now put s plus equal to 1 means increment our s and increment our int so that our slide can move further by one step. And here we need to write some code. So I'm taking a variable named mx, initialize a very minimum number in the starting, so minus float of infinite. Now at every point of time we will check if our sm is greater than our max, then simply update our mx value, mx equal to sum, and at the last we need to print our mx. So print mx in the end. So this is the whole code. The complexity for this code is big of n because we are using a slide. We are not running two loops. The complexity of that solution will be big of n square when you are running two loop, but in this case I'm using a two pointer approach. Now you can see the approach here. Now we can code this. So this is code here. So this is for taking input n and k, and for the size of array, and k is for that contiguous subarray. Now array is here, s equal to 0 and end is equal to k minus 1, answer equal to minus float infinite, sm equal to 0 in the starting. So for I in range s to e means we are taking summation from s to e, basically from s to e minus 1 because the range is here, so a large value will be excluded. So sum is from s to end minus 1. Every time we are adding this end and checking if answer is equal to mx answer comma. This is same as if our sm is greater than our answer, then we can simply update our answer equal to sm. We can write this code in this format, and every time we are removing the last element means s, and we are incrementing s and e, and in the last I am printing that answer. So this is our code. Now we'll run this code. So you can see here our answer is 4. Now let's submit this. Great. So this is our first error code. In this error code he's trying to solve this in C++. T is for number of test cases. He is taking array input. Now he's trying to do this loop. So this is the problem here. He is running I less than n minus 2. Every time his loop will run from I equal to 0 to I less than n minus 2 means I will go to till n minus 3. So this is the problem here because many values can be skipped here, like n minus 2 can be skipped, n minus 1 can be skipped. So you cannot write like that. So this is the error here. So that was our today's video. If you like our video, then kindly like and share as much as you can. And if you have any query in your mind, then kindly post it on our YouTube channel. And the most important thing is that subscribe our YouTube channel, and we will meet in our next video. Until, keep coding.